Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to pause your current debit card. If you don't have a current account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50 when you join and receive a qualifying direct deposit. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see an option for card settings at the middle part of the screen. Tap on Card Settings. On this screen, you will see a section for your cards. Tap on your current debit card. Then here, you will see a section for card options. So you will see that your card is activate. To pause your card, toggle to off. That's how you pause your current debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.